Bring us your challenges, your can we even make this space work? Bring your ideas, your how can we build this? Bring your is this possible? And we'll provide absolutely. Let us show you. At 22nd Avenue, our passion isn't just the equipment behind what makes an event great. Our passion is finding ways to make great events unique. Regardless of the size, from conferences to concerts, hybrid broadcast and everything in between. We listen, we care, we deliver results. Are you ready to experience the 22nd Avenue difference?
Forget about it.